Wait, you can actually earn $15 every time someone downloads a browser. This is from Perplexity. Let me show you how. Perplexity just launched Comet in a browser. Originally $200. Now completely free. And they're paying you up to $15 for every friend who downloads it. No limit on referrals. You need to register using your email only. Here's the workflow. Step 1. Click the link in the description. Hit the blue download button. Step 2. Enter your email. Check your inbox for the verification code. Copy and paste it and confirm. Step 3. Run the installer. Takes 30 seconds. Step 4. Open Comet and log in with the same email. Step 5. Click Invite and Earn at the bottom. Open the Dub dashboard. Complete your profile and grab your referral link. Every successful installation through your link pays you. That's it. Link is below. If this helped, like and subscribe. Drop a comment on how many referrals you'll get. Thanks for watching.